What's up, YouTube? I guess I came here because I've been posting videos, but I ain't never did like an introduction or nothing like that. So I guess this is my introduction. I'm Tamika. Most people call me Mika. I got 5 kids. Sure, y'all, if y'all follow me, y'all done seen them running around here looking crazy all the time. I do all kind of stuff like. I'm a side hustle queen. I swear I need a side hustle for every kid I got, and I got 5. Plus I work. So it's quite a adventure. Nyla, come here. It's never a dull moment when you got a lot of kids.
Hi, YouTubers.
You gotta come in and say hey.
Hi, YouTubers.
You so silly. Yeah, that's the baby of the house, Nana. The rest of them at school. Well, I got 2 at school, 2 in Atlanta for the summer.
I'm not in this school
So, yeah. This kind of like my introduction video in a way. And